In the heart of Europe lies a modern, vibrant country known for its freedom, stunning architecture, and rich history. Welcome to Austria. Many recognize it for its iconic capital, Vienna, often confused with Australia. But make no mistake, Austria is one of Europe's most prominent nations. Austria is a landlocked country, sharing borders with several nations. To the north, it borders the Czech Republic, while Slovakia and Hungary are to the east. To the south, you'll find Slovenia and Italy, and to the west, Austria shares its boundaries with Switzerland, Liechtenstein, and Germany. Thanks to the Schengen Agreement, Austrians can easily hop across these borders for a quick getaway. Vienna, Austria's capital, is divided by a significant river. The western side is where the action is, home to major tourist attractions, the international airport, and a pulsating cultural scene. From majestic palaces to lively markets, this area showcases Vienna's rich heritage and modern vibrancy. With a population of around 2 million, Vienna is a manageable size for a capital city, and it represents about a quarter of Austria's total population of 9 million. Other notable cities include Graz and Salzburg, but Vienna remains the cultural and historical heartbeat of the nation. Austria's landscape is dominated by the Alps, covering 62% of the country, offering both breathtaking views and ample space for urban development. Football fans might recognize Austrian teams like Sturm Graz, Rapid Wien, Austria Wien, and Red Bull Salzburg, representing various cities in Austria. Vienna's livability is world-renowned, consistently ranked as one of the most livable cities globally. In 2024, it was named the most livable city in the world. Austria may be small, but its history is vast, dating back to 996 when the name, Austria, first appeared, derived from the German word Österreich, meaning, eastern country. The Habsburg dynasty, one of the most powerful families in European history, made Austria a global powerhouse. Though the age of empires ended after World War I, Austria has transformed into one of the most prosperous nations, consistently ranked among the world's wealthiest. Austria is also home to famous global brands like Red Bull and Swarovski, and its capital, Vienna, is known for its exceptional organization and cleanliness. Wander the streets, and you'll notice pristine buildings, some centuries old, meticulously preserved. If you visit Vienna, don't miss landmarks like the Austrian Parliament building and Vienna City Hall. Both exude architectural grandeur and historical significance. The red and white striped Austrian flag, believed to be one of the oldest flags still in use, adds a timeless symbol to the city's stunning backdrop. For those who love a fairy tale setting, Hallstatt is a must-see. This UNESCO World Heritage Village is world famous for its beauty, and even China replicated it in Hunan province. Known for its salt mines and breathtaking alpine scenery, Hallstatt is a charming escape, though it can get crowded during peak tourist seasons. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content about the world's most beautiful places.